Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we did the navigation and backup camera, the 10.25 inch for a BMW X1. That's our lip mount camera. You can search it on our backup cameras and universal section lip mount that it goes to the factory bracket. It just basically drill in, and it's plastic part, so it's fine to drill it in. And you can choose that camera from our website. Right now we are on navigation, and as you can see, we add the iDrive controller. Used to be coin holder here, and here was a storage compartment. By touching the home, it goes to home. You can use the iDrive to go left and right. This is the IO5 menu. Also, you can go to setting and change it to the latest menu, IO6. As I said, backup camera is installed too. By going to reverse, it shows the back of the car with dynamic parking guidelines. You can watch video. Make sure the sound is aux. It's on aux. Then you have the sound for the video too. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from our website 4x4shop.ca. You can order the camera from the same website, or if you want to get them installed, give us a call at 905-604-4294. Right now there is a protection film on the screen, so it needs to press the screen a little bit harder than normal. And these are the apps. Google Maps, you can download Waze, you can use offline maps too. We already put iGo offline maps on this unit. You can mirror link your phone, and it reads some data from the OBD2, like 51 liter gas left in the car. That's the RPM, that's the speed, door open, close, it shows too. That's the temperature. Any questions, give us a call or check our website, or you can chat with one of our sales reps online, and they can help you with this unit. Thank you.